In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Zia AI suggestions in Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll have Zia's recommendations, conversational insights, and email intelligence working smoothly in your CRM so you can automate tasks and act on smarter insights. First, let's make sure Zia is enabled at the account level. In Zoho CRM, click the Setup Gear icon, then go to General and open Zia. In the Admin panel, you'll see a list of Zia capabilities like predictions, notifications, and recommendations. Toggle on the features you want available for your organization. If you don't see certain options, it usually comes down to permissions or your CRM edition. You may need admin rights or an edition that includes Zia features, such as Enterprise or Higher. Next, turn on specific Zia suggestions, starting with workflow suggestions. Still under Setup, open General, then Zia, and go to the Zia Recommendation tab. Enable the Workflow Suggestion toggle. Zia will analyze repetitive actions and suggest automated workflows to save you time and reduce manual data entry. To view and apply those suggestions, click the Zia icon at the bottom right inside CRM to see recommendations as they pop up. You can also navigate to Setup, then Automation, then Workflow Rules, and choose View Suggestion to browse, review, and apply them. Always check the criteria and actions before enabling a suggested workflow so it aligns with your processes. Now, let's use Ask Zia, the conversational AI. In the global search bar, press the / key to trigger Ask Zia suggestions. Then type a question in natural language like, "Show me open deals closing this month." Zia returns results instantly, which is great for quick insights without building reports. Note that Ask Zia may only be available in certain editions, such as Enterprise or Ultimate. For email intelligence, go to Setup, then Zia, and open Email Intelligence under Communication. Ensure Email Intelligence is enabled, then toggle on Email Intent Suggestions. Once active, Zia classifies incoming emails into intents such as query, complaint, or purchase, and you can customize these intents to match your team's terminology. This helps your team prioritize responses and route messages more effectively. Finally, enable the Zia Writing Assistant for better email composition. Go to Setup, then Zia, then Recommendations, and open System Recommendations. Turn on the Writing Assistant toggle. When you draft emails inside CRM, you'll see real-time spelling, grammar, and style suggestions you can accept or ignore. That's it. If something doesn't appear, double-check your permissions and edition. Save your changes, give Zia a little time to learn from your data, and start acting on its suggestions. Thanks for watching.